Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a mirror slide transition in VideoStar. So let's just get straight into the video. Alright, so to begin with, you're already going to want to have your two photos or videos imported into your timeline. So on the first video or photo, you're going to press New, then press on Multi-Layer, and then press on Layer 1 and then import your media. Now click out of this and then press on Layout, and then go over until you find Stretchy. It's already saved for me, but if you don't know where it is, you can always search it up using this tool right here. Oops. Now, once you're there, select it and then press on this up arrow and then select this horizontal option at the very bottom. So click away from that and then press on Layer 1 and then press on Edit Keyframes. Then go to the very end of your clip, and right down here where there's no opacity icon, you're going to want to click that, and it will change to a layout icon. Now from here, you're going to want to drag the layout all the way to 100. Oh, never mind. Okay, drag it down to maybe like 75, 100 is a little extreme, but if you want to do 100, it's up to you, it's your edit, you do whatever you want. Okay, so next to layout, you should see a straight line. You're gonna press on that and then press on custom, and then make sure that your graph is at spline, and then just copy what I do. No, because this part literally took so long. I didn't exactly know what I wanted to do here. So yeah, it took over 1.5 minutes unedited. So I'm just gonna jump to the end for you guys. Okay, so once it looks something like this, press done. Now go to about the middle of your clip and then press on the size icon, and then go back to the very beginning of your clip and then drag the size up to, oh my gosh, they changed this? Oh my gosh, slay VideoStar. Okay, well I didn't know that. That's gonna be so useful. Oh my gosh, okay. Anyways, you're gonna want to drag the size to about, I'd say anywhere from 150 to 200. I'm gonna put mine at 160. Now go back to the keyframe that we made in the middle, and then press on the straight line again, and then you can just choose this graph. Now just play it back to make sure that you like it. I like that, so I'm gonna press back. And then I'm going to press this down arrow, and now I'm going to go to color and then select tracking blur. And if you don't know where it is, again, you can search it up using the search tool. I'm going to play it back and see if I need to adjust any of the tracking blur. Okay, I'm gonna press this down arrow, and then just to be safe, I'm gonna add some mirror. I probably don't need this, but rather be safe than sorry. Now press create, press done. Now go to your second clip, and then press on new and multi-layer. Now press layer 1, and then select your photo or video choice. Now press on edit keyframes, and then go to the end of your clip, and place down a path keyframe. So when you're at the end of your clip, you're going to want to drag your video to the left or photo. It doesn't really matter if there's nothing here because we're gonna fix that later on, but press on this path icon and then press on custom, and then make sure that your graph is not on spline but on Bezier. Okay guys, so just copy what I do. Okay, so once you have something like this, press on done and press back. Now press on this paintbrush icon labeled color and then select tracking blur. Again, you can always search it up, and then just play it back to make sure you don't need to adjust any of the settings. Okay, I like how this looks, so I'm gonna press on create. Now I'm gonna press done. Now I'm gonna press new, re-effects, and I'm gonna press on edit. Now you wanna make sure that you're under this icon with the 9 squares, and then select vert mirror. Okay, now press on this down arrow, and then all you have to do is press Quick FX. Okay, so once you have this, it's still not gonna look super smooth, as you can see, watch. So to fix this, we're gonna press on New, Transform, and then we're gonna select VS Motion Blur. Now if you press Edit, you can adjust the settings. These are my settings, you can copy them if you like, but most settings work as long as they're not too extreme. Now press this down arrow and then press Create, and just wait for it to load. Okay, so if that doesn't make it blurred enough for you, which in my opinion mine isn't as blurry as I'd like it, just press on New and then press Multi-Layer, and then press on Layer 1 and then select the latest clip. There's 3 of them, but yeah. And then just press on this color icon and then look up Motion Blur because I have no idea where it is. Okay, so once that's selected, click away from this and then click on Layer 1 and then press Edit Keyframes. And now make sure you're at the very beginning of your clip and then press on this size icon and it will change to a color icon. Drag the color all the way down. Now go to about, I'd say 2/3 of the way into, about 2/3 of the way into your clip. And then place down a keyframe using this little arrow. And then go to the very end of your clip and then just drag the color up. I'm dragging mine to 50. Now press on this straight line and then select any one of these 2 options. I'm gonna use the bottom one and see how I like it first. Okay, I like that, so I'm gonna press back and press Create. Now I'm gonna press Done, and that's it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye!